Wasn't really that bad. It had been raining on and off all night. It's supposed to stop within the next hour, so we're just hanging out here. Gonna make some coffee and then hopefully it'll let up and we can take off and go grab some grub somewhere for breakfast. Just getting my mess packed up. All right, we got off to a late start. It's about 11 o'clock. We just had breakfast at the Valley Dairy Restaurant. This is the way. That river's a-flowing, huh? Yeah, it's just a stream too. That's not even the main river. Oh yeah, look at the baby geese. Just all hanging out. Away from the floodwaters. These bags aren't completely waterproof, so I have the Arkel covers. They have a waterproof liner inside, but it's got a zipper. They're Cordura on the outside, but this way they don't get all that crap from the trail on them too when it's wet. So kind of makes it worth it. And my cool sandal holders, let them dry out. These are my tent poles. I don't have to put them diagonally in a bag and take up more room than they need to. Getting closer, we're right outside Ohiopyle. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. Made it about 16 miles, and we'll stop here and maybe refuel. Definitely get some more water. About 40 miles left to Meyersdale for the day. We are in Ohiopyle. I just like saying that word, Ohiopyle. Here's the kiosk. I don't know where we're gonna eat. That sounds really good. Firefly chocolate and barbecue. That's the ticket. Good.
No beans about it. These are right. Oh, that sauce has a little kick to it. You might get a little more.
That's where we came from, Connellsville, and next stop is Confluence. Though we're gonna stay in Meyersdale. So we stayed overnight here last night. Cool little town. Got a lot of amenities there, and we are here now. And we are headed Confluence, and then Rockwood, and Meyersdale is past that, where we're gonna try and stay tonight. We weren't able to avoid the rain. It started out as a foggy drizzle, and it's picked up a little bit. Just constantly drizzling. So it's either I have the rain jacket on and sweat underneath it, or take the rain jacket off and get my other clothes wet. So none of it makes any sense. It's raining, just drizzling. So everything's wet out. And even if it stops raining, the trees will continue dripping. So no getting around it. It's getting late in the day, but we still have about 25 miles left to Meyersdale. So just taking it one little chunk at a time. All right, well, it's getting late. It's almost 8 o'clock. I think sunset's at 8:20. We decided to keep going to Meyersdale. We stopped at Rockwood at the campground, but got to go into town to register, and wanted to go sit down at a restaurant and warm up. And I think there's hot showers in Meyersdale too. So pushing another 12 miles to Meyersdale. We're about halfway there now, so probably get there right maybe in the dark or as it's getting dark. But we slowed down a little bit by the obviously it's uphill, but it's been misting and raining all day, so the trail is wet and slow going, but just pushing on. Nothing too backbreaking. We're almost in Meyersdale, and it's, guess what, starting to sprinkle again. Of course, it's getting shitty, getting dark. We're almost there.